Thinking about getting a new fence but can't decide between vinyl and wood? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the key differences to help you make the best choice for your home. First up, let's talk durability. A fence is an investment, so you want one that lasts. Vinyl fencing is made of PVC, making it weather-resistant, rot-proof, and pest-free. It can last 30+ years with minimal upkeep. Meanwhile, wood fencing, though classic, is vulnerable to rotting, warping, and termites. With proper maintenance, it lasts around 15 to 20 years. Vinyl fencing is also resistant to UV damage, meaning it won't fade or discolor over time, unlike wood, which requires resealing or repainting to maintain its color and integrity. Nobody wants to spend all their weekends maintaining a fence. So, which one requires more work? Vinyl fencing is a set-it-and-forget-it type of deal. Just rinse it off once in a while. Wood, on the other hand, needs regular staining, painting, and sealing to keep it from deteriorating. Wood fences may also be susceptible to mold and mildew, especially in humid climates, requiring extra care and treatment to keep them looking their best. All right, let's talk budget. Which one is more cost-effective in the long run? Wood fencing is cheaper up front, but the costs add up over time due to maintenance. Vinyl costs more initially, but since it lasts longer with little to no upkeep, it saves you money in the long run. Wood fence repair costs can also be significant over time due to potential damage from pests, moisture, or weather-related wear and tear. Of course, looks matter too. So, which one gives you more style options? Vinyl comes in a variety of styles and colors, but if you love the natural look of wood, then nothing beats the real thing. You can stain or paint wood to match your home's aesthetic. So if customization is your top priority, wood is the way to go. While vinyl fencing offers fewer color and texture options, some modern designs now mimic the look of real wood, providing a more natural appearance with the durability of vinyl. So, which one is the best choice? Well, it depends on what matters most to you. If you want durability, low maintenance, and long-term savings, go for vinyl. If you prefer a classic natural look and don't mind maintenance, then wood is for you. Either way, we've got you covered. Still not sure which fence is right for you? Give us a call at 781-767-3596 or visit caonfenceinc.com to get expert advice and a free quote. We'll help you find the perfect fence for your home.